All right, so let's talk kitchen upgrades. Like, who doesn't love the idea of a kitchen that's both like stylish and super efficient?
Yeah, totally.
Or like finding the right gadgets.
Yeah.
In this sea of options can be kind of overwhelming. So that's why we're doing this deep dive today, is to help you sift through all that noise.
Yeah.
And like discover what's genuinely worth it.
Exactly. And with Black Friday like right around the corner, there's no better time to snag those like kitchen must-haves. We've been looking through a ton of deals, especially on Amazon, and we found some pretty game-changing gadgets that could really like revolutionize your cooking experience.
Oh, awesome. So are we taking our cues from a specific source for this?
Yeah. So we're looking at this awesome YouTube video. It's called 10 Newest Amazon Kitchen Gadgets Worth Buying in 2024. And it's from this channel called Amazon Hunter. We're going to be sharing links to all the products we talk about today. And some of them are even affiliate links. So that means we get a small commission if you end up making a purchase. Don't worry, it doesn't cost you anything extra. And it helps us keep this deep dive going.
Awesome. Love the transparency. And, honestly, I feel like the real stars here are going to be the gadgets themselves. What I noticed looking through the list is just how many of them are designed to tackle those, like little everyday frustrations we all face in the kitchen.
Yeah, totally. Like those little things that you're just like, ugh, if only this was easier.
Exactly. So, all right, let's dive in. First up, we have the dish and hand soap dispenser with sponge holder, so we can say goodbye to juggling multiple bottles.
Yeah.
And hunting for a dry spot for your sponge.
Right. I mean, it's such a simple concept, but it's so like brilliantly executed. It has like dual compartments for hand soap and dish soap, and then like a built-in sponge holder. So everything is like neat and organized and hygienic.
I love that. I am all about simplifying those daily routines.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Next, we have the press mechanism ice cube tray. Can we all agree that wrestling with traditional ice cube trays is like the worst?
Oh, the worst.
This one promises perfectly formed ice cubes. But just a simple press. No more twisting or cracking or splashing water everywhere.
And it comes with a lidded bin, so it keeps your ice fresh and freezer burn-free. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so easy cleaning.
Oh, that's key. Little details make a big difference in the long run. Okay, so speaking of making life easier, the Expandable Colander. This is a must-have for anyone with a small kitchen, or just a penchant for multitasking. It fits right over the sink, so you can wash veggies or drain pasta, rinse fruit, without taking up precious counter space.
Yeah, and this really speaks to the broader trend of space-saving solutions in the kitchen. With more people living in smaller apartments or urban areas, like those multifunctional gadgets that maximize space are becoming essential.
Yeah, absolutely. I can already see myself using this for everything. And on that note of kitchen organization, let's talk about the appliance cord organizer. I don't know about you, but the tangled mess of cords behind my appliances has always been a pet peeve of mine.
Oh my gosh, yes, so common.
It's like, what is going on back there?
Right. It's a black hole of cords.
It is.
This organizer helps to kind of tame that chaos.
Yeah.
Keeping your countertops clutter-free. And let's be honest, a bit safer. No more tripping over cords or accidentally unplugging something you need.
Yeah, seriously. Speaking from experience, a stray cord can really ruin your day. All right, next up we have the silicone sink splash guard. Now, this might seem like a small detail, but I think it speaks to the growing emphasis on aesthetics in the kitchen.
Yeah, totally. People are increasingly viewing their kitchens as extensions of their personal style, so this splash guard keeps your counters dry. Without being an eyesore, it just blends seamlessly into your kitchen decor.
Yes. Form and function, the best of both worlds. Now, for those of us who struggle to slice vegetables evenly, or let's be real, anyone who wants to impress their guests with perfectly julienne carrots, the VEA Mandoline slicer is a total game changer.
Right, it's true. While a sharp chef's knife is a kitchen staple, there's no denying the precision and speed a Mandoline offers. This one has adjustable thicknesses, a safety guard, and it's easy to clean. Perfect for everything from paper-thin cucumber slices to chunky potato wedges.
I'm already picturing all the beautiful salads I could make. But let's be realistic. Sometimes we just need a quick and easy meal. And that's where the Hamilton Beach Dual Sandwich Maker comes in.
Yes. Crispy, gooey sandwiches in minutes. Count me in. It's perfect for those busy weeknights when you need dinner on the table fast. Plus, it goes beyond basic grilled cheese. Think paninis, quesadillas, even mini pizzas. The possibilities are endless.
Okay, I'm officially hungry now. All right, moving on to a gadget that's all about practicality and versatility. The stainless steel nesting bowls with lids and graters. Talk about multifunctionality.
I know, right? This is such a clever solution for small kitchens or anyone looking to streamline their storage. The bowls nest together to save space. They come with airtight lids, And they even have built-in grater attachments. It's like having a whole set of prep tools in one compact package.
I love how they've really thought of everything. And now for a classic kitchen tool with a modern twist. The silicone T-tongs.
Yes. Gone are the days of clunky metal tongs. These are heat-resistant nonstick and designed for a comfortable grip. They're perfect for flipping everything from delicate fish fillets to hearty burgers.
I can imagine.
They're like a workhorse in the kitchen.
That's great. All right, so what's next?
And finally, we have a gadget that might seem small, but it packs a punch in terms of sustainability. The mini plastic bag sealer.
Oh, interesting. I'm all for anything that helps reduce food waste, so tell me more about this one.
Yeah, so this little gadget helps keep your food fresh longer by sealing up those half-eaten bags of chips, pretzels, or even leftover ingredients.
Oh, that's cool.
It's a simple way to extend the life of your food and minimize what ends up in the landfill.
I love that. It's a small change that can make a big impact. So we've covered a lot of ground here, from space-saving solutions to time-saving gadgets, and even tools that help us be more eco-conscious in the kitchen.
It's amazing to see how kitchen innovation is addressing so many different needs and priorities. Like, it's not just about having the latest and greatest gadget anymore, it's about finding tools that genuinely improve our cooking experience and make our lives a little easier.
Totally. And with Black Friday deals in full swing, it's the perfect time to upgrade your kitchen without
Inspirations. So don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and find the tools that help you create delicious meals and lasting memories in your kitchen.
That's such a great point. It's not about having the most gadgets. It's about finding the ones that make a real difference in your life. And with that, we'll wrap up our deep dive into the world of kitchen gadgets. Thanks for joining us. Happy cooking, everyone.